In this video, we're going to be learning how you can send notifications using your browser with just few lines of JavaScript. So without any delay, let's get started. So to send notifications, here we are in our index.html file. So inside our body, we're going to add a button so that we can click and send the notifications. So here inside of the button, we just say send notifications and then add an on-click listener. And here we add the notify function, which we haven't really defined yet. Then we get started with the script tag, and here we define our notify function. So inside of this function, we're going to use the notification instructor. So the browser basically provides us with the notification API, which we're going to be using to send in the notifications. First, it requests the browser, hey, that I need to send notification, would you please allow? And then if the permission is granted, basically if you select it as granted, then you're gonna create a new notification which takes in two things. First is the title, in this case hang the tank, and then we're going to be sending in an object. Here the object has this body, which is basically the content of the notification. In this case, I'm just going to be adding a string which says sending notifications through your browser is simpler than you think. And then you can also add in an icon if you want, just like WhatsApp and Facebook. So you can add here an icon. So if you see here, I already have this icon added here. I'll just add this and let's save and let's come over here. So in case when you run this, make sure that you check this notification and make sure that this is ticked as accepted or checked. If this is not accepted, you would see that if you click, let's reload, the notification won't really happen because your browser is not allowing you to send notifications. So make sure to accept this and then reload the page, and when you click, you can see the simple notification. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell so that you never miss any update from the channel. Meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.